it's it this consciousness of Jewish roots had very different stages that are very much, I think, connected to the Polish context of my early biography. So that means that when I was 10, 11, I did not thought about the meaning of this so much. But when I was 13, 14, 15, I guess I had this thing that most of the people of Jewish origins in Poland had when they were teens, kind of negative definition, meaning that most of the things that I heard about the Jews, yes, if I heard something about the Jews, it was anti-Semitic context. So kind of I built first stage of my identity. Besides that, I had this positive part of identity, going to Israel and spending time with my family there. In Poland, I manifested mainly telling everybody when I meet somebody for the first time in a second sentence I'm Jewish. Kind of checking, I'm Jewish if you have a problem with that. It was kind of very aggressive, and I now even kind of don't like myself from the time. That everybody I met, I'm Jewish because it was kind of checking somebody else's reaction. And but then when I was high school, I read some books, something being 15, 16, but again it was, and I met one guy who had at high school in Dzierżoniów who had also Jewish roots, but and because of him, I was 17 when I went for some joint seminary in Warsaw, and I started to go for a Jewish youth camps in Poland. And slowly also being active here in Wrocław community, and then going to Warsaw, meeting people, other Jewish people my age, also foreigners coming to Poland. Kind of I developed my identity, and it got more positive meaning. And that was the main reason why I came to study Jewish studies here in Wrocław. Now I do it from totally other reasons, but mainly it was kind of dealing with my own identity, understanding better history of my family. It was why I came, it was my main motivation why I came to, I was a sociology student, and then suddenly I decided I need to do something extra, and for me it was Jewish studies.